Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and overall value to help you decide which one is the best fit for your home or office. When it comes to price, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $189 United States dollars, while the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker is significantly more affordable at just $69 United States dollars. This price difference can be a deciding factor for many buyers, especially those on a budget. In terms of ice production, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker can produce up to 35 pounds of soft nugget ice in 24 hours, making it ideal for larger gatherings. On the other hand, the Sweetcrispy model produces 26.5 pounds in the same time frame, which is still impressive for home use but may not suffice for bigger parties. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker comes with a self-cleaning feature, an ice scoop, and a basket, making it convenient for users who want to maintain their machine easily. Conversely, the Sweetcrispy model boasts a quick ice-making capability, producing 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, which is perfect for those who need ice in a hurry. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker offer unique benefits. The EUHOMY is perfect for those who need a high-capacity machine with additional features, while the Sweetcrispy is an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers looking for quick ice production. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.